In the world of manufacturing, factory automation is transforming how things are made. It acts like the brain of modern factories, which enables the factories to use advanced technologies such as IoT, AI, and big data to improve productivity and enhance performance. Now, let's understand how factory automation is the driving force behind Industry 4.0. First, real-time data integration. Automation equips factories with several devices and systems, using PLC, SCADA, HMI, and advanced sensors. This integration allows real-time data to be collected, analyzed, and made visible to the factory staff, and overall, it helps in making data-driven decisions and problem-solving. Next, advanced robotics and cobots. Robots now perform complex tasks and adapt alongside humans, boosting both safety and productivity. With new programming technology, it is now much easier and faster to program robots. Predictive maintenance is another key trend. Factory automation also sets up sensors and monitoring devices in order to predict machine breakdowns, thus saving several $1,000s. A factory can certainly achieve higher cycle times and faster production. Consider automating your processes and choose the right vendor for long-term success. So, factory automation is the heart of Industry 4.0, leading us into a future where factories work better and waste less.